Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. I'm sorry, sometimes I don't talk in my videos, but this time around I'm going to talk and I'm going to explain everything about this hairstyle. Guys, today I'm here to show you how you can do bubbles. If you don't know how you can call this this hairstyle, they call it bubbles. You can call it, if you use afro kinky, you can call it afro kinky bubbles. If you use Brazilian wool, you can call it Brazilian wool bubbles. So now for me, I'm going to use Brazilian wool, so I'm going to call it Brazilian wool bubbles. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Continue watching, please. Don't miss this video. If you miss at your own risk. But today I'm going to explain each and everything, guys. First of all, you have to be with a molding gel. Molding gel, it is a Vaseline I use to make my lines. For me, I use molding gel so that my lines can be neat. So guys, if you want to use it, so you can use it too. You're going to make 3 before starting making our Brazilian wool bubbles. Guys, continue watching. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, guys. Guys, after our 3 now we are going to count 8 because I want medium size. I don't want too big and I don't want too small, so I'm going to make medium size. So we have to count 8 Brazilian wool. After doing it in our hand, I'm going to count, we are going to count 8. So on that 8, you're going to count 3, you take it aside. After you get your needle, then you start planting. As you can see it carefully, because even if you print or using afro kinky, you can do the same thing. Okay, are we together? Now after, you make sure when you are planting, the hair cannot move out. We can't see the hair out. Okay, you make sure we don't see the hair out, or the 3 you planted out. You get one Brazilian or one braid for the Brazilian, so that you can rotate it like that, as I'm doing. I hope we are clear. Yeah, thank you for loving Nifa Faces, guys. Thank you so much. Continue watching my videos, subscribe. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like, so you can comment even. If you want any video from this channel or from Nifa Faces and Hair, you can comment the video you want me to make for you, then I'll do it for you. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Guys, as you can see, yeah, you continue doing that with that one braid until it's over. You make sure the hair is inside. You make sure the hair is inside. If the hair is outside, or when the people are seeing the hair outside, the bubble doesn't look good. So you make sure the hair is inside. You continue doing it. You continue doing it slowly by slowly. You do it step by step. Yeah, as you can see, I'm using one Brazilian braid. Remember, we used 8 braids. Now I'm taking one of the 8 so that I can use that bubble. I can make that bubble. I think you are seeing. Guys, we finished the first one, and this is the second one. You do the same as you used to plait the first one. Yeah, I think you can see. If it is possible, you can put the blades in the whole head after plaiting. If you want. If you don't want, you can put what you are plaiting. I think we are together. Guys, today I have told you that I'm going to explain each and everything about this hairstyle, because sometimes like me as Nifa faces, I don't want to see my beginners fidgeting with the style which they don't know how to do it. So when I see that, I can come here and show you how to do it very careful. Thank you guys for loving Nifa faces and hair. Thank you for supporting me. Continue following me. Continue watching my videos, guys. Please continue watching my videos. Subscribe. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell so that you can get each and everything about this channel. Thank you for loving Nifa faces and hair. Thank you so much. I don't know how I can appreciate, but I'm so humbled. Guys, this is for today. Thank you for loving Nifa faces and hair. Thank you for watching my videos. Continue subscribing, please. If you are new here, subscribe, comment, like, and share. Love you guys. See you next time. I love you. Mwah.